If you live in Jennings and have been wondering whether it's time to replace your doors, you're not alone. Many homeowners hold on to aging doors for too long, not realizing how much they affect safety, comfort, and even energy costs. Replacing your doors can be one of the simplest ways to improve your home's curb appeal and performance. Here are the top signs it's time for a door replacement in Jennings. Drafts and energy loss. If you feel a chill near your front or back door, even when it's closed, that's a red flag. Over time, weather stripping wears out, and door frames can warp, letting in drafts. These gaps force your heating and cooling system to work harder, driving up your energy bills. A new, properly sealed door can help keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. Visible damage or wear. Doors take a beating over the years. If you notice cracks, warping, rotting wood, or dents in your door, it's probably past its prime. These issues don't just look bad, they can weaken your door's structure and make your home less secure. A strong, modern replacement door will protect your home while looking fresh and stylish. Trouble opening or closing. Does your door stick, scrape, or refuse to shut smoothly? Changes in temperature and moisture can make older doors expand, contract, or become misaligned. A door that doesn't close properly is more than an inconvenience. It can be a security hazard and an invitation to pests. Replacing it ensures a snug, secure fit. Moisture between glass panes. If you have a door with a built-in window and notice condensation or fog trapped between the glass, that means the seal has failed. Moisture buildup can lead to mold and damage, not to mention poor insulation. A new door with double or triple pane glass will solve the problem and give you clearer, more energy-efficient views. Outdated style. Your door is one of the first things visitors see, so if it looks outdated or doesn't match the style of your home, it may be time for an upgrade. Modern doors come in a wide range of materials, colors, and designs that can instantly boost your curb appeal and complement your home's architecture. Security concerns. An older door may not be as secure as you'd like. Worn locks, thin panels, or flimsy materials can make your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Modern replacement doors feature reinforced frames, strong hardware, and advanced locking systems to keep you and your family safe. Increased noise. If you notice more outside noise coming through your door, it might be losing its ability to block sound. Replacing your door with a better insulated model can give you a quieter, more peaceful home. Why replacing your door matters. Investing in a new door isn't just about looks, it's about protecting your home, saving on energy bills, and improving your daily comfort. Jennings homeowners face a range of weather conditions throughout the year, from humid summers to chilly winters, so having a well-fitted, properly insulated door makes a real difference. Whether you choose a steel door for strength, a fiberglass door for energy efficiency, or a wood door for classic style, a replacement can add value to your home and peace of mind. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, don't wait until your door completely fails. Reach out to a local door replacement professional in Jennings to discuss your options. They can help you choose a door that fits your style, budget, and security needs, and make sure it's installed correctly for years of reliable use. Your door is more than just an entryway. It's your home's first line of defense and a reflection of your personal style. Give it the attention it deserves, and you'll see and feel the difference right away.